Number 1. What are you going to do this weekend? Make your sentence.
I am going to. I'm going to school this weekend.
Okay. And number 2. When he going to borrow some books? Number 2.
He is going to borrow some books today.
No.
He is going to borrow some books on Tuesdays.
Okay. Number 3. Is he going to read a novel this afternoon?
No, he isn't.
Are you sure?
Yes, he is.
Number 4. Where's he going to go?
He is going to go drugstore.
One more time.
He is going to a good drugstore.
He is going to
the drugstore.
He is going to go to
the drugstore.
Okay, go to. Why you forgot?
I don't know.
Number 5. Where are they going to go?
They are going to go to supermarket.
Go to
The supermarket.
Yes, good job. Can you read this article?
What do you know about jungles and the animals that live there? The animals. Animals.
Here, what? And
the animals.
Yes, thank you.
That live there. Lots of different animals live in the jungles. Jungles are beautiful, but people are making the jungles polluted,
Yes.
and dangerous. They are cutting down the trees. The animals are not safe. Animals are not safe. They need help. This is Sepulok Park in Malaysia. It's a big park for orangutans. They are safe here. There are lots of big, tall trees. People can't cut these trees down. 80 orangutans are living free in this park.
Thank you, Yağmur.